My name is Deepti. I am an international mathematics teacher with over 17 years of experience. In this video, I will cover the entire topic in details. So stay tuned till the end. Thank you. So now I am going to teach different form of the equation of a straight line. So different forms we have seen that a first degree equation in x and y represent a straight line, right? Do you know the straight line equation? What was the straight line equation? It's normally we did it. Straight line equation is what? Remember the straight line equation?
Y equals 0?
No, not like that. Y is equals to 0 is it correct? But the normal straight line equation, when we have put x and y values, remember? No? You did not do?
No.
Not doing the straight line equation before?
No.
Okay, let me explain then. So this diagram, so this is x-axis, y-axis. This will make an angle theta here. Okay, not going to that part as of now. C is the y-intercept, right? C is a y-intercept. X is x because this is x. So that this part QM is x. Okay. Now P to M is y minus C. Now it's done. Now come to the equation. So the equation of a line with slope m and making an intercept c on y-axis, the equation will be y is equals to mx plus c. This is the different form of line. Okay, this is the slope form of line. Here, what is m? So this is the very important equation of a line. Okay, so let the given line intercept y-axis at q. Okay, y-axis at q and makes an angle theta with x-axis. Then m is equals to tan theta, which is 90 degree. So let pxy be any point on the line. Draw pl perpendicular to the, perpendicular means it's a 90 degree. Okay, it's a perpendicular to the x-axis, and qm is also perpendicular to the pl. So anyways, now come to the direct formula. M is what?
Did you get my school worksheet that my mom sent you?
No, I have not checked. Wait, this y is a slope. Okay, y is the intercept of, m is a slope, x is a variable, y is a variable, and what is c? C is a y-intercept. What you call?
Y-intercept.
Y-intercept. Okay, so this is the description of the line equation. Okay, this is the line equation and this is the description of this. Okay. Now two important remark you have to write down with this concept. Okay, I'm giving. So two important fact based on this topic. Okay, write down. If the line passes through, if the line passes through the origin. Okay, now in the diagram you have seen there there is a passing through the negative x-axis and positive y-axis, right? According to my previous. But if the line passes through the origin, then formula will be, formula is what? Your formula is y is equals to mx plus c, right? If it's passing through the origin, then your formula is, your y will be 0, yes, your y will be 0, your x will be 0, right? If passing through this, so your equation is like this, means your c is equals to 0, right? C means y-intercept is equals to 0. Therefore, the equation of a line passing through the origin is y is equals to mx, because here c is equals to 0. So where m is the slope of the line. So when your line is passing through the origin, then your line equation will be y is equals to mx. C will remove from the equation, okay? Because of x is, when it's passing through the origin, that means x 0, y 0. So c is equals to, when you solve this equation, c is equals to 0. You will be substitute in the equation, y is equals to mx plus c. Y is equals to mx plus c, when you write it in the normal equations, right? Mx plus c. But because of your c is 0, so 0 is nothing. So can we write it y is equals to mx?
Yes.
So this is equation comes like this, okay? So the second remark is, if the line is parallel to x-axis, then m is equals to 0. Therefore, the equation of a line parallel to x is, therefore, is m is equals to, when m is 0, that means, what is the equation? Mx plus c, right? If your m is 0, that means x is also 0. So what will be the equation? Y is equals to c. This will be the equation form when your line is parallel to x-axis. Understood the two conditions based on this topic? So the line equation will vary when your line is in different form. Now see the question number 1 based on topic, okay? Find the equation of a line with slope is -1. Slope means, as you know it is m, right? Slope is m. And cutting off an intercept of 4 unit on negative direction of y-axis. These are the keywords, right? So m is here, according to the question, m is equals to -1, right? M is equals to -1. C is equals to -4. Why -4? Because it's a negative 4 units on negative direction, right? It's in the negative direction. So it is a -4. Now substituting these value in y is equals to mx plus c. Substitute your values here. So m is -1, x, c is -4. When you solve this, you will get -x, -4, right? -x, -4. Y is equals to this. Or you can write it in the other way. Right? You can write it x plus y plus 4 is equals to 0. Okay, so this is the equation, because you have to find the equation of a line, right? Understood or not? So you have to find the equation of a line when slope is given and the intercept of given. But
do you have to write both ways, or can you just
of course,
write
of course. No. Both the ways are correct. You can write it this way or you can write it this way. Okay?
Okay.
Both the way are absolutely correct. So on the y-axis it is -4. You know, the slope is in the negative direction. Means fourth quadrant. See, the second question, determine the slope and the y-intercept of the line whose equation is 5x plus 6y plus 7 is equals to 7, sorry. So how you will write it? See, 5x plus 6y is equals to 7. What is your basic format of this equation? You will converting into, see, this equation given in this form, ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. Okay, or this equation is given as ax plus by is equals to 0. See, 0 means any number. 0, in place of 0 you can substitute any number. Now you have to convert this equation into y is equals to mx form. What is form? Y is equals to mx plus c. So y means this y, 6y, you can write it here, right? And how you can write it? Y is equals to mx. So what you can do it, the easy way is, this 7 you will be divided with this 5 over 7 x plus 6 over 7 y is 0. Can we write it like this? Right? Now, or what will be the easy form? Should I write it direct? You will understand. Y is equals to what is m here? How you will find m? -5 over 7 is the m, plus -5 over,
why is it over 7?
6, sorry, 6, because along with y we have 6 na, so you will be divided by 6 plus 7 over 6. So in this case you can see it in this equation turn into the slope equation. So this is your m, this is your c, as we have to find it, slope and y-intercept. So here m is equals to slope is m is -5 over 6, and y-intercept means c. So c is equals to 7 over 6. Now let me know you understood or not how turn this in this form. How turn this to this form.
I don't understand how you're doing the fraction part. Everything else I understand.
Okay. Now see, if you write it 6y is equals to, minus 5x, 6y is equals to minus 5x plus 7. Can we write it like this? This equation, can we write it like? Now we need to remove 6 from this part, because we need it. We have to write it in this form. So y single, right?
Oh, so you divide by 6 on both.
So y is equals to -5 over 6, and we will divide 7 over 6. See? Easy. Understood?
Okay.
So this simple linear equation convert into this form. Y is equals to mx plus c. Then you can easily got the slope and y-intercept. Because when you converting in this form, then you will be finding easily the slope and the y-intercept. Understood? So sometimes equation is not given in the direct form, like in your worksheet given, right? Direct form is given in your worksheet. Sometimes equation is given in this form. So you have to be converting in this form, and then you can determine the slope and the y-intercept. Okay? So the questions comes in other form. Good question. Question number 3, based on topic, prove that the lines x plus 2y minus 9 is equals to 0, and the second equation is 2x plus 4y plus 5 is equals to 0 are parallel. Then how you will solve it? So first of all, you will write your equation, whatever equation is given, x plus 2y minus 9 is equals to 0. Okay, and the other equation, now I am writing both the equation parallelly, so it will be easy to understand. Now convert into the y is equals to mx form quickly. Y is equals to mx form, as you know it, how to convert. So what is the y form? 2y is equals to
it's y equals x over 2 minus 9 over 2.
Correct. So this 2 we have to remove it from here, so it will be negative 1 over 2 x plus 9 over 2, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes. Now second is 4y is equals to negative 2x negative 5. You have to remove 4 from here, so you will write it like this, then like this, right? Now you can reduce this, so y is equals to negative 1 over 2x minus 5 over 4. Yes?
Yes.
Now in this case, this is your y is equals to mx form equation. We turn it into the normal linear equation, right? In this, what you realize here, what is your slope here? m1 negative half. Same here.
Yes.
What is the slope? I am giving the m1 and m2, okay, because we have two slopes. So again here is negative half. That means, so the slope of the given lines are equal, right? Slope of given lines are, what you can say that?
Equal.
Yeah. So write down, so the slope of the given lines are equal. And what is the meaning of this? We learned it in the last, 2 or 3 classes. If two non-vertical lines are parallel, their slopes are equal. That means
one slope is 1/2 and the other one's negative, then it wouldn't be equal, right?
yeah, if both m1 and m2 are equal, that means your given lines are parallel. What is the meaning of your given lines are parallel? So we need to prove that the lines this and this are parallel. Yes, of course parallel, because your both the slopes are same, right? Your both the lines are equal. When your both the lines are equal, that means the given line, hence the given lines are parallels. Okay. Any confusion? Then
I hope you are enjoying the video so far. If you find it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. If you have any query or needs practice question, please do let me know in comment.
this is the fourth example based on topic. Show that the line 27x negative 18y plus 25 is 0 and 2x plus 3y plus 7 is 0 are perpendicular to each other. Same technique will apply here. You will convert these two equation into y is equals to mx plus c. Okay. So how? Negative 18y negative 27x negative 25, right? Can we remove negative sign from all, right? Because negative sign is both the side, so we can remove it directly. So I am removing it. So 18y is equals to 27x minus 25. Now we need to remove 18 from along with y, so we will write it 27 over 18 x minus 25 over 18. Now we'll check, can we reduce something? Yes. 9 2s are 18, 9 times 3 will be 27. So you will converting y is equals to 3 over 2 x minus 25 over 18. Not minus, this is also converting to the positive sign. Yeah, we have converted this. So now we got the y is equals to mx form in this equation. So what is m here? m1 is 3 over 2. Right? Slope of this is 3 over 2. Now come to the other side. So 3y is equals to negative 2x negative 7. Now remove 3 from here. So negative 2 over 3 x minus 7 over 3. Now we got the y is equals to mx plus c. Now find the slope number 2. So slope number 2 is m2 is negative 2 over 3, right? And what is the perpendicular condition? We need to multiply it. So m1 times m2. So m1 is 3 over 2 and m2 is negative 2 over 3, right? Yeah. Now we will simplify it. So what you get? m1 m2 m1 m2 is negative 1. Negative 1. This is proved your slope. Both the slopes are perpendicular to each other, right? So this shows that the given lines are perpendicular to each other because both the slopes are perpendicular. The product of their slope is negative 1. That means your slope are perpendicular to each other. Okay. So the fifth question is based on topic, which is find the equation of a straight line passing through the origin and parallel to the line 3x minus 2y plus 1, okay, is equals to 0. So in this case, first of all, the same, you will find the slope and all, okay. So write down the equation, whatever equation we have, 3x minus 2y plus 1 is equals to 0, right? Now you will be converting into y is equals to mx form. So negative 2y is equals to negative 3x negative 1. We can remove negative sign from whole equation. So it will become 3x plus 1. Now y is equals to 3 over 2x plus 1 over 2. Right? In this equation, slope of the given line is m is slope. So slope is given 3 over 2, right? So the slope is required, line is 3 over 2. So let the equation of a required is 3 over 2 x plus c, right? You know it, this is your c, this is your m, right? Y is equals to mx plus c means this is your c. But the condition is giving it passes through the, this is your equation, right? Mx plus c. But the condition is given it's passing through the origin, right? And what are the coordinate of origin? 0, 0, right? 0, 0. So that means we have 0 is equals to 3.2, 0 is equals to 3 over 2 multiplied by 0 plus c, right? In this case, you will write c is equals to 0. As we have already learned it, so the equation of the line required, required line is y is equals to, then c is equals to 0, then you substitute here. So y is equals to 3 over 2x plus 0. So 0 we are not writing because it's plus c. So y is equals to 3 over 2x. This is the parallel to the this. So when you draw the line, so you will see it will passing through the origin and parallel to the this line, parallel to the this equations line. So the sixth question is, find the equation of a straight line passing through -2 and -4 and the perpendicular to the line 3x minus y plus 5 is 0. Okay, so first of all you will be converting this equation into y is equals to mx plus c. So negative y is equals to negative 3x negative 5. So y is equals to 3x plus 5. Easily converting into the y-intercept, slope-intercept equation. Now, let, as you know it, the slope of the given line is, what is the slope here? Slope is 3.
3.
Yeah? Yeah, slope is 3. So, because the other perpendicular, what is the condition of perpendicular? M1, M2 must be -1, right? When it's a perpendicular. So, but 1 M is given, 1 M is not given. So, M2 is equals to -1 over 3. -1 over 3. Now, your Y is, so y will be according to the second slope, you will form a equation. So m is -1 over 3x plus c will be c only, because we don't have c, so you will write the same c. Be the equation is the required of the line. Now passing through the -2 and the -4. Now we'll use it this. So -2 is in abscissa, or -4 is the ordinate. That means -2 belongs to x-axis, -4 is belongs to y-axis. Okay, both are negative. So now you will substitute in this. So y is -4 and x is -2. Now solve this equation. So when you solve this equation, you will get c value is -2 over 3, and then it will be here. So it will be a 14 over 3. -14 over 3. Write down the correct variation. So c is -14 over 3. So this is your y-intercept. Find the equation of a straight line passing through these 2 points and perpendicular to the line of this. So the line is this, which is perpendicular to C. So how you will form an equation? This is not your equation, okay? Now we have to find the equation here. So now I am writing here. So your equation will be y is equals to, this is the other. So y is equals to -1/3 will be the second slope, x is x, okay, and c is -14/3. Now we have substitute here. When you simplify this, you will get 3y plus x plus 14 is equals to 0. This is your straight line equation which is parallel to the other line. See, in the other question what happened now? It's given in the two equation and you have to find the slope. In other question, like third example I have given, where two equations are given and you have to find the perpendicular slope and the equal slope, right? And it's equal slope. But in this question what happened, one equation is given and other equation is not given, other coordinates are given. So you have to convert this coordinate into the equation. So because find the equation of a straight line. So one equation is given, this with the help of this first equation you will find the second equation. Coordinate with the first equation will find easily the second equation. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like the videos and subscribe.